Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Kerala. First, gather all essential documents such as your registration certificate, valid insurance, and the pollution under control certificate. Next, invest in a thorough service and detailing to significantly boost your car's appeal and potential resale value. Addressing any minor repairs or cosmetic imperfections beforehand ensures your vehicle presents in its absolute best condition, attracting more serious buyers and potentially a better offer. Setting the right price is crucial. Begin by researching current market values for similar car models across Kerala, considering factors like your car's condition, mileage, and unique features. Once you have a competitive price, capture clear, high-quality photographs from various angles, highlighting its best aspects. Finally, list your car on popular online platforms and local classifieds, providing a detailed description to reach a wide audience of potential buyers. When engaging with potential buyers, transparency is key. Be open about your car's history and any known issues to build trust. Arrange test drives in safe, convenient locations, perhaps a public area during daylight hours. Be prepared to negotiate the price, but always have a minimum acceptable offer firmly in mind. It's also wise to verify the buyer's genuine interest and their financial capability to complete the purchase. To finalize the sale, complete the transfer of ownership formalities at the Regional Transport Office, or RTO, promptly. Ensure all outstanding loans or hypothekation on the car are fully cleared before transfer. Always obtain a delivery note and a clear payment receipt from the buyer for your records. Finally, remember to inform your insurance company about the change of ownership to avoid any future complications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.